degrees. I guess you go there and take your first steps, and then you come back and take your laps.
Had a quick change of plans. Ended up stopping at this place called Cowboy Bob's. It's like a coffee, donut, barbecue shop. It's actually pretty good. On the outskirts of Clarksville, Georgia. I had to mark this one down and bring the wife back. Now we're about to get back on the road.